to my channel. We're gonna be doing a hair review slash tutorial. As you can see, it's like my little bald head method going on. No makeup on because we want a flawless clean install before we put on our makeup. So this wig, oh my freaking god, I'm so excited for this wig because I love this collection. So as you read by the title, it's going to be the Sensational Butta Lace Unit. It is the Butta Lace Unit number 6. If you don't know about Butta Lace units and you sleeping under a rock like this, you need to get with it. They're so freaking easy, beginner friendly. Basically the front has like a illusion frontal across the hairline, and then it has a part, so you're not getting a frontal all over, but you are getting the front, like the illusion. So basically it comes with baby hairs. The lace is transparent, so you are gonna have to tint the lace to transparent. Transparent means it is the white transparent, not that clear transparent that you see on virgin human hair. This is actually called transparent because of the lace color. So it is going to be a white transparent lace. Like I said, these right here are good for beginner friendlies, but let's go ahead and open up this box because baby, get into it. So this is going to be a start card up close. As you can see, I did get the color number 1 because that was what was left. I did want the color number 2, but they only had the one color left. That is the how the model is wearing it. This right here is their claims, Butta Lace versus normal lace. Like you said, it blends into any skin tone because you do have to tint your lace. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. It does feel like a natural yaki kind of texture, which I freaking love. This is the color number 1. It looks so pretty and lustrous. It does kind of have a shine, but it's not bad. It just looks really pretty on the hair. So you are going to get 5 inches worth of parting space, which is down the middle. So you do get 2 combs on the sides. You do get 1 comb in the back, and then of course you get the adjustable straps. The lace, as you can see, is going to be a light brown lace. Okay, so starting out for my low hairline girls, this unit is big head friendly, but you do have to pull it down. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I do have the strap is like over my ear because I'm trying to pull it down to match it up to my hairline. So for you low hairline girls like me, if you want this unit to go down, you are going to have to pull it down to your hairline. But we are going to leave the lace on there. That's what I usually do. I'll leave the lace and I'll just put whatever baby hairs on there, I'll swoop them onto the lace. So just an FYI, this is not going to cover up your hairline if you do have a low hairline. This unit, it is pre-plucked, as you can see, so it does look good. I might go in a little bit further and pluck right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint my lace using my foundation, same one I always use, the CoverGirl Violets Healthy Elixir in the color 765. And then we're gonna put this unit back on so we can go ahead and get it to go with our hairline. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut 2 slits, one right there and one right there. I want the side to stick down first, so I'm gonna do like halfway. I'm gonna do like half right here, and then I'm gonna do the side. And then I'm gonna be using my Got to Be Glued in my black bottle. So let's go ahead and get to Miss Butta Lacy Unit 6. Like, can we get into this lace? Can we get into this lace? So starting out, the lace is going to be a light brown lace. You can go ahead and put your foundation on it to get it to blend to your skin tone. Lace melts into the skin like no other. Like, this lace right here is freaking phenomenal, bomb, flawless. But what would you expect from Sensational? Like, what would you expect? This wig right here, the lace is like popping. So for this unit, as you did see from the intro or the beginning of the video, it is not going to go down on low hairlines like mine. So I did show y'all how to get it to go down on low hairlines. Make sure if you did not watch it fully through, you go back and rewind it. If there is something that you do not understand or you want me to slow it down, then let me know in the comments and I will do another video on how to do that. So yeah, you can't even tell that this is not made for low hairlines, because baby, I did that with this hairline. I wanted to have that human hair kind of front, so that's what I did do. So you will see me pluck this unit in the beginning. You do not have to pluck this unit whatsoever. It is plucked for you. It comes with baby hairs. All I gotta do is trim those down a little bit. If you want to, if you like long baby hairs, leave them as is. But this front, like the baby hairs, frontal, everything is plucked for you. This unit, it does go from ear to ear. As you can see, it is going to give you a frontal illusion. So you are just getting this 5 inches of parting space, but the front gives you the illusion of like a frontal, so it looks freaking flawless. This hair is going to be about 22 to 24 inches, and then it does have a natural density. So this is the hair pulled to the front. I really love the density on this unit because it is kind of thick. And I was looking at the picture, the stock car, and I thought it wasn't going to be thick enough, but it is a good density. I freaking love it. This unit is freaking bomb. You are gonna get some shedding. I don't know if it's because I was plucking the unit, but I did get quite a few shedding. I didn't get tangling whatsoever, which I do like. It is going to be big head friendly. So if you have a big head, you are going to like this. Only thing is you having to pull this down on your head. That was the only kind I had. And then my other one is going to be, it does have a lot of flyaways, like short hair, and the hair is about this length. I just pull those down, but you can just use some wax stick or some have to be glue freezing spray to lay those down, but you are going to have quite a bit. So I don't know if you can see that right there, but there are a lot of flyaways with this unit. So yeah, you're gonna have to use a wax stick or got to be glue freezing spray to get those to tame down. Other than that, this wig right here is a banger. This unit is selling fast for all you people that sold number 2. Number 1 is where it is popping at, because I did want the number 2, but that's okay because we are still gonna slay in our number 1. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments that I did not answer, leave those down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.